Yo, what's good, guys? It's Saturday, April 7th. I'm here again reviewing the Cosworth oil-free performance air filter. It's a oil-free panel filter, OEM replacement for the 2008 and 2015 Subaru WRX. Also works on the Subaru Legacy. It's genuine Cosworth components, increased airflow, and oil-free, which is something that I try to look for. The part number is listed right over here. So I saw some reviews on this on Modern Automotive Performance website and also on the Rally Sport Direct website. And one of my subscribers, by the name of Metal Guy, he put a nice review for this too. And they're talking about improved drivability, increased miles per gallon, and I'm going to kind of test those things. So this is the OEM filter, which I already had in my car, which really didn't even need to be replaced. I didn't have it too long. But that's that. And so let's see how the Cosworth looks. So it's a nice blue pattern. Other side. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna get that installed, and then I will post links for this part, and also show you the reviews and stuff. So I will drive this around probably a little bit later today, let it kind of settle in, and then I'll let you know what the differences are. So I'll see you guys then, and thank you for watching. Peace out. What's good, guys? It's Saturday, April 7th. I'm continuing this little review of the Cosworth high flow panel air filter. So far I've been driving with it for about 15 minutes. I just kind of getting my engine warmed up, and basically so far it seems like the smoothness through first and second, it just seems a little bit more smoother power delivery. So that's what I've noticed so far, and I did just a minor little pull, and it seems like the intake induction noise is a little bit louder, but in a nice way, not like in a way where it'd be too loud. But that's what I've noticed so far. So right now I'm heading over to that one back road that I showed you the other day that I take on my school bus, and I'm going to do some pulls. Hopefully some flat out pulls if the road's clear. So once I get over there, I'll hang a left and then do some pulls over there. So I'm going to see how it looks up ahead of me. I'll do a quick third gear pull. So it looks pretty clear. Third gear. So you have the induction sound. Sounds a little bit nicer, I think. And then I will put the links to the reviews on the Rally Sport Direct. There's a bunch of reviews, and pretty much everyone said the same thing. They give it 5 stars, and they said it seems like throttle response is a little bit better, and I think I could agree with that. It does seem a little bit better, and so far I'm liking it. Really nothing bad to say. Oh man, I was hoping to take this turn with nobody turning, but I'll have to wait. I'll have to turn around, because if I do it now, I'm just gonna run into that person. So there is a nice turn here that it's a pretty sharp turn. So let me get her down to third. I guess on the way back, I'll take that way back, and then I'll hang a right at that turn, and hopefully manage to get it pulled in. But initially, so far, it sounds like the induction noise is pretty nice. So let's do a third gear. Can't go that fast because this is not really a familiar area for me, and I don't like to do pulls whenever I'm not sure where I'm at. So it sounds pretty healthy. So once I get turned around, I'll continue this video. So I will continue that in a minute. So bear with me, and I'll continue the video. Okay, guys, continue the video, doing that turn again, and then I'm gonna hang a right. Hopefully, it'll be clear. It'll go cool. So, make a sharp turn. This car handles beautifully. It's like I don't get to do many turns like that, but man, it just stays planted. Looks like someone just turned racist, so I'm probably going to catch up, but we'll just do a second gear pull, full throttle, no lift shifts. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I am back on the regular 93 Octane tune. Basically, ever since I showed that one video, I wanted to make sure that issue gets solved until I get back onto the E30 tune by MAP. So basically, I ran my tank all the way empty. I basically got to the point where it said I had 20 miles left of fuel, and then I filled up with Shell 93 Octane fuel, and then it said I put 14 gallons, so I still probably had almost 2 gallons of gas left, even though it said I had 20 miles left. So I basically want to get all that E30 out and put as much regular fuel just so I could at least run a full tank of just 93 Octane to kind of clean out the system and stuff. So that's what I wanted to do, and I just wanted to basically get everything prepared for the track, and hopefully by then they'll get that tune figured out. Ian still hasn't replied back to me on that thing, but I'm hoping by next week he will. So quick third gear. It is kind of cold outside, it's 31 degrees, so you won't boost as high, but you'll definitely still hear and feel the power. And yeah, it's definitely no E30 power, but it's still pretty nice. Nice enough to have fun stuff. And of course, next week I'm hoping the weather starts to get warmer, because it's been really cold, and if it's like cold like this on that track day, which will be next Saturday, today's Saturday now, but next Saturday, which is 7 days from now, if it's cold like this, they will not have that track open. So I'm really hoping we'll get some warmer weather. I know Thursday it's going to be in the 50s, but I'm just hoping things improve, because right now, the way things are, it's going to be just simply too cold. I mean, I could run my car, but those other cars, they're not going to be able to run, like those cars running slicks and stuff. So, okay, so first gear. Yeah, it seems like I could shift a little bit faster with that filter. I'm not sure why, but it does feel like the throttle response is a little bit more improved. And yeah, I would give this 2 thumbs up. It does feel pretty good. It's not like a huge difference. I mean, I'm not noticing more power, but the sound, and it feels like the throttle delivery is a little bit better, a little bit more improved. And I would agree with the reviews. And thank you again to Metal Guy 852. I believe that was his username. He's the one that told me about this originally. And then I had looked on the Rally Sport Direct website, and then I saw his review, so I was like, hey, yes, I got it. I always see in my comments, so thank you to you for letting me know. But yeah, so far I like it. I've driven for about 25 miles, and I think I would definitely agree with what everyone else said, that throttle response is better, and then it feels a little more smoother, and then people are saying higher miles per gallon. I won't know that until I test it more often, but for now, yeah, I like it. Nice improvement. Little mini launch, first gear. Wow, yeah, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. I wish I'd actually timed that 0 to 60, because that felt pretty healthy. I didn't launch too hard, but it felt pretty good. So yeah, I just want to do a quick mini review and tell you I'm back on the 93 Octane regular stage 1 tune. And then from then on, I guess I will post updates when Ian finally replies back, and hopefully they can get this tune issue solved. And then yeah, it'll be better hopefully if they do get it figured out. And until then, I will see you guys hopefully by Saturday. I hope the track stays open. Cross your fingers. Hopefully the weather stays warm. And then we'll go on from there. So thank you for watching. Thank you for all the support. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. If you have a question or comment, feel free to leave me one. And I will see you guys soon. Peace out. And enjoy your weekend.